Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 Laptop 16 FHD computer for H-Review, a must-have Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen 3 solution. When searching for a device that successfully bridges the gap between raw productivity power, multitasking grace, and sensory satisfaction, finding the right laptop can feel like an impossible challenge. Check the video description for the updated price link. As someone who deeply values intuitive controls and feedback where every keystroke, trackpad swipe, and hardware toggle provides immediate, tactile, and responsive validation, I approach the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3, often associated with the elite architecture lineage of the Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen 3 category, with high expectations. We live in an era where computers should not just execute commands blindly. They should feel like an organic extension of your workflow, offering crystal-clear feedback loops that make computing smooth, natural, and utterly effortless. In this comprehensive, SEO-optimized review, we are going to dive deep into every single facet of this machine. Equipped with an Intel 8-core i5-13420H processor, a massive 24 GB of DDR5 RAM, a snappy 512 GB PCIe SSD, and a gorgeous 16-inch FHD display wrapped in a sophisticated Luna Gray chassis. This laptop is designed to handle demanding workflows without missing a beat. Whether you are upgrading your home office setup, diving into heavy multitasking, or seeking hardware that respects your need for physical precision and response, let's explore why this machine is turning heads in 2026. If you are also interested in expanding your workspace optimization beyond computing gear, you might want to look into physical ergonomics and flow through our related product guide, which covers home wellness equipment built around natural, intuitive resistance feedback. The modern home office requires a delicate balance between raw computing horsepower and physical ergonomics. Too often, modern laptops prioritize thinness at the absolute expense of mechanical feedback, leaving users typing on mushy keyboards with zero travel or navigating through sluggish software layers. However, Lenovo has consistently understood that user experience is rooted deeply in physics: how keys depress, how tactile the resistance feels, and how quickly the system acknowledges your physical inputs. The Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3, blending consumer-friendly design cues with robust internals reminiscent of professional workstation powerhouses, aims to deliver a satisfying balance of speed and sensory response. Right out of the box, the Luna Gray finish gives the chassis a professional, understated elegance. It resists fingerprints remarkably well and feels sturdy in hand. But aesthetics are only skin deep. What truly matters is how it performs when you throw 20 browser tabs, a Zoom call, local database queries, and a video rendering pipeline at it simultaneously. Thanks to the Intel 8-core i5-13420H under the hood, operations execute instantly, matching physical input with digital execution with zero perceptible lag. To truly understand why this laptop stands out in the crowded mid-range and professional productivity market, we need to dissect its internal hardware components and physical interface designs. Every specification contributes directly to the overall user experience. At the beating heart of this computer is the Intel Core i5-13420H processor, featuring 8 cores, 4 performance cores, and 4 efficient cores and 12 threads. This hybrid architecture is a masterclass in workload distribution. When you are typing a quick document or browsing lightweight web pages, the efficient cores handle the load silently and coolly. The moment you launch a heavy application, compile code, or crunch spreadsheets, the performance cores roar to life. For someone who appreciates snappy control, this means applications launch instantly, windows snap into place without stutter, and your workflow remains entirely uninterrupted. Multitasking bottlenecks are usually caused by insufficient RAM or sluggish storage swap files. Lenovo has equipped this model with an exceptionally generous 24 GB of high-speed DDR5 RAM. In practice, this means you can keep dozens of resource-heavy web applications, communication tools, and productivity suites open concurrently without the system ever having to compress memory or lag. Coupled with the 512 GB PCIe NVMe SSD, boot times drop to mere seconds, and file transfers happen in the blink of an eye. The physical feedback of opening a massive file and seeing it load instantly provides a deeply satisfying sense of operational control. Check the link in the description to get yours today.